Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Your Apple ID, password, and at least one trusted device are ready. Connect to stable Wi-Fi or cellular data. Avoid VPNs because they can block verification. Once done, open the App Store and attempt the action that triggered verification required. You do this now, so we move straight into the fix. The system will prompt for a code or re-sign in, and that prompt is what you'll use in the next step. You should select Send Code to receive a verification code on a trusted device or phone number. This is the simplest path. If no code appears, go to Account Settings, sign out of your Apple ID, then sign back in. That forces a fresh authentication. If SMS or push codes fail, reset network settings to clear misrouted packets. This resolves many delivery issues. Make sure to wait a minute between attempts so rate limits don't block you. Once you enter the verification code, complete the sign-in and immediately retry the App Store action that needed verification. If that fails, try signing in on another trusted device or use a browser at Appleid. Apple. Com to confirm account status. This helps isolate device issues. If you remain blocked, escalate. Contact Apple support and provide your device serial and proof of ownership so they can lift account flags. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.